The Miele Complete C3 Ecoline is a highly efficient vacuum cleaner that helps you vacuum the home effortlessly both daily and when needed. The vacuum cleaner has a removable hose. Under the lid there are 3 extra vacuum cleaner nozzles. Vacuuming of sofas and armchairs with the crevice nozzle and the furniture nozzle is child's play. The vacuum cleaner has a HEPA air clean filter that ensures that even the smallest dust particles are filtered out of the exhaust air. This, combined with spacious dust bags, leads to fewer bag changes and lower user costs. You can choose between 6 different power levels. The small icons show which substrates the different power levels are suitable for. The rotating wheels help you get through tight spaces when moving around in your home. The cable has a range of 12 meters, so you don't have to change the socket so often.